The next category is we have 3 lasso tools. Actually, the lasso tools, like the marquee tools, create a selection within your image. Any of 3 lasso tools may be visible in your toolbar. Click and hold on the visible tool to access the other lasso tools. You can access whichever lasso tool is currently visible by typing the letter L, that's a shortcut. Within the lasso tool selector, you can draw a selection around any part of your image. I'm going to select the lasso tool, then just make a selection to select, just like a drawing with pencils. Select, then I'm just gonna make these 2 layers merged. Actually, these layers are separate layers. I'm just gonna merge these 2 layers. Just select, press Ctrl E to merge these layers. Now these 2 layers are in a single layer, so we can move the selected objects like this using the move tool. Then also we can press and hold Ctrl D to disappear this selection. Actually, the lasso tool can be a bit difficult to use if you need a precise selection, but it works well for creating rough selections. Lasso tool is polygonal lasso tool. Actually, the polygonal lasso tool creates a selection with straight lines. This tool offers a little more precision than the lasso tool. So let's use that. Just we can make selection with a straight line. Look at that. And we can move this. And we can move the entire portion by selecting the move tool, just like this. Then the next lasso tool is the magnetic lasso tool. So let me show you what is magnetic lasso tool. Actually, the magnetic lasso tool will snap to the edge of the objects as you follow it. So this is a red color, so the pixels will be with same color with a negligible difference. So we can click and start drawing. Look at that, it detects the pixels automatically. It detects the same color pixels and detects borders. Usually we use quick selection tool, the upcoming tool to select a particular portion or object. But actually this tool is really useful in some occasions, especially such kind of difficult images, selecting such kind of difficult images. You can click points as you go, as with the polygon lasso tool, but you can also make the selection without setting down any more points. And also, if you want to go back or you want to delete one point, then you can go back. Just press backspace on keyboard, then you can see that the points deleted. Look at that, deleting all the points. And also, if you let me show you that if you want to move this portion, you can press and hold space key to move this area. One thing you want to remember, whenever you want to stop or create a selection, at the end point must be linked with the beginning. Then only you will get a selection. Then we are moving to the next one, that's quick selection tool, the shortcut. Quick selection tool, that the shortcut W. Actually, the quick selection tool selects an object in your image by interpreting and selecting along defined edges visible in your image. So over your image, the quick selection tool will appear as a small circle with plus inside it. Place the cursor over an image of the object you wish to select and click. Look at that, it selects automatically. It detects the edges, it selects the same color because we don't have any other color except white, so it's really easy to get selected. The tools will select a portion of your image ending at any defined edges. While holding a mouse, move your cursor around the rest of the objects until the entire object is selected. So this is select the white portion also. So if you want to clear the white areas, you can press and hold Alt key, then you can deselect that areas. And let me show you how to make this particular portion a layer. So if you move this area, you can move this area, but actually this is a single layer, so you cannot do much things with this selected area. So let's right click. So let's select the quick selection tool, or if you are using the lasso tool, you can also use the lasso tool. Then select the quick selection tool, then right click, then go to layer via copy or layer via cut. So I select the copy, so it made a copy. So when I go in, if I disable the background layer, look at that, the selected area only appears. We are moving to the next tool, that's magic wand tool. Click and hold, then select the magic wand tool. The shortcut is W. In the same category, that's selection tool. The magic wand tool selects a portion of your image that has the same or similar colors, same or similar pixels. Okay, to use the magic wand tool, click a portion of your image, that's all. So let's click here. Just one click, it selects the same color pixels. Actually, it excluded some pixels because look at that, these pixels are brighter than this. That's why it excluded. Actually, this tool is really helpful for selecting an object with the same color. So let me give you another example. So I selected the magic wand tool, then if I select the blue color, it selects the entire blue color. If I go to the green color, it selects the green color. Then the red color, actually this mixed, it selects the red color, then magenta, then the yellow goes yellow, then the green, okay, it selects. Then I click the white color, it selects the white color except other colors. Then we can move back to our image. Okay, so this is the use of magic wand tool. We can press and hold Ctrl D to deselect this. Okay, then the next tool or next category is a couple of crop tools. You can select the crop tool, then you can click here, then it automatically allows you to adjust the edges. You can keep it like this. Otherwise, you can just manually drag and make a selection, then enter to crop. So these are the possible ways. And also you can manually choose the width, height, resolution, then the ratios on top of the window. Okay, we are moving to the next tool, that's eyedropper tool. Actually, you may hear about this tool, but you don't know the use of this eyedropper tool. Actually, the eyedropper tool selects a specific color within your image and set it as your foreground color. So you can select the eyedropper tool, then actually the foreground color is orange color. Then we want to change this to a red or magenta color. The pixels, it detects the pixel colors and changes the color. So I'm gonna click here. Look at that, it changed the color, changed the foreground color. So this is the use of eyedropper tool. And you can also select colors from outside of the Photoshop window. You can just click and drag outside to select the colors from outside. So it selected the black color. If I want to select from here, you can just select and drag and be here. So it selected green color. Look at that, selected green color. I'm winding up this section because it's more than 8 minutes, so we can continue this tools section in the next video. Thank you.